is where Corin used to work. This is a brand new Montessori school here. I don't think they realised they were going to have riverfront property one day, but it's a lot underground here. Here's the road right here just disappearing, and you can see on this side the houses nearby are under the water. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. Yeah, they're still expecting this to. This isn't high yet. They're expecting this to come up another 1.5 meters, I think, at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. So, yeah, I think you might just be able to see the tops of the roofs of these houses by then. You can see the bus stop there, just the tip sticking out of the water at the moment. It's interesting, I've never seen a flood like this before. There's more to come, but it's sad, and I don't want to know how many mosquitoes and midges are going to be around after this.